Kawasaki has made another splash in the automotive world with the introduction of the Kawasaki Ninja 1100 SX 2025. This Japanese sport touring bike has received a number of updates for the year 2025. The bike is available in the international market in two types, Standard and SE. Kawasaki has installed a 1099 cubic centimeters, liquid-cooled, inline four-cylinder engine in the new Ninja 1100 SX. This engine produces 136 brake horsepower at 9,000 RPM and 113 Nm at 7,600 RPM. The engine is paired with a 6-speed gearbox and a new quick shifter that operates from 1 to 500 RPM onwards. Thus, the quick shifter can be used even at low speeds in the city. Visually, there is not much to distinguish the 2025 model from its predecessor. The sharp front fairing with dual LED headlamps and even the sides and rear are the same. On the SE trim, you get gold and black graphics that contrast with the green color of the bike. Under the body, the chassis is the same, except for the new larger rear disc brakes. For the Kawasaki Ninja 1100 SX SE uses Brembo monoblock 4.32 calipers at the front. It also has an adjustable Öhlins S36 monoshock, which is not available in the standard version. The bike uses 17-inch wheels with new Bridgestone Batlax S23 tires. For rider and passenger comfort, there is an SX motto, so Kawasaki brings a handlebar-mounted USB-C port as standard along with electronic cruise control, power mode, cornering management, KTRC traction control, and intelligent anti-lock brakes, all controlled by a 4.3-inch full-color TFT display helping manage the electronics. The Ninja 1100 SX SE also has an upgraded rear disc for better stopping power, and the good news is that in the face of greater capacity and torque, the Ninja 1100 SX 2025 offers greater fuel efficiency. Even the tires have been taken to a new level with the adoption of the latest Bridgestone Batlax S23 as standard equipment. The Kawasaki Ninja 1100 SX 2025 will be offered in metallic carbon gray/metallic Diablo black color scheme, while the Ninja 1100 SX SE comes in emerald blazed green/metallic Diablo black. Both models will be available in US dealerships in the winter of 2025. The 2025 Kawasaki Ninja 1100 SX is likely to be launched towards the end of the year, possibly at India Bike Week in December.